My fellow country people, my name na Efe Ogene. Vote for me as your next president, and I promise to fulfill the following. 1. If you make me your president, I promise to provide 24 hours light for a whole month, and the next month, total darkness. Because they say where there's light, there's darkness. You cannot cheat nature. 2. This one can affect some people. If you make me your president, I promise to make sure that $1,000 is equals to 100 naira for the better growth of this country.
Continue.
3. If you make me your president, for those of us that like football, I promise that the next World Cup will be played in this country, and the Super Eagles will win the World Cup.
Continue.
Either by fair play or by foul play. 4. If you make me your president, I'll make sure that the transport system in this country is fast and okay. For example, if the journey from Lagos to East is 10 hours, if you make me your president, the journey from Lagos to East will only last for 2 minutes. How you transport is not my problem. I've made my promise. 5. Last and the least. If you make me your president, I promise that in this great nation, there will be no starvation.
Continue.
You will eat and eat and eat. Then, I will eat my own. Thank you.